Today we're going to refinish our bathroom vanity using this Valspar cabinet paint. We started out by removing the doors and hardware, and then I sanded both sides of the doors with 180 grit sandpaper using my orbital sander. We're going to start on the backs of the doors, and they look a little rough right now, but you won't see that when we're done. I wiped them with a damp cloth and let them dry, and we are going to put the first coat on with a 6-inch foam cabinet roller. Now that everything is coated, I'm just going to back roll it. If there's any drippage on the side, I'm just wiping that now with a damp cloth. And I'm going to let this sit for 6 hours before recoating it.
While Rita's working on the doors, I'm working on the vanity. And it'll take a couple of coats. But we've done this before in the kitchen, and we were happy with the results, so it'll come out good. And what I like to do after I brush on a good coat, I like to go over it with a 4-inch roller, just so we don't have brush marks.
I'm working on the front of the doors now, and I'm going to take care of the grooves first. And now I'm working on the edges, making sure not to drip. And if you notice, I have the doors elevated on a couple of boards just to make it easier to paint. Okay, now I am rolling it, and it'll probably take 2 to 3 coats.
Okay, you can see that we get a nice smooth finish with this paint when everything is dry. And it's kind of like a satin finish, so you get a little bit of a sheen to it. Just to finish off the look, we got some new handles and hinges. There's the finished look of the vanity using the Valspar paint. If you have the time and the patience, it could really change the look of an old beat up cabinet or vanity. You might want to try it. As always, please subscribe. Catch you next time.